What's up, YouTube? One more quick video. I'm just kind of on a roll here today. So this is all getting replaced with PVC, this cast. It's kind of just, it looks in decent condition, but the homeowner wants it in PVC like this. So it's gonna be quite a job, but this cast, you know, it gets old and eventually over time it will crack from the bottom or the top. I've seen it crack with the sewer gases on the top, and yeah, so then it can be an issue because then live sewage is leaking all over, and PVC, it's less likely to do that. So I'll probably keep the same general system. I'll probably use a fern coat down there. Maybe I'll keep this in here, I'm not sure. Maybe cut it here and then PVC with a Y here and go up. I'm going to try to reuse as much as possible, but a lot of this stuff just needs to be out and replaced with PVC. So this is a pretty big job. I'm going to go over how I quote these jobs. It's difficult because it takes a lot of time. I usually don't tell the customer 42 to 72 hours for me to get a quote out, because with material and everything going up in price, it's only going to get more expensive. So cut it here, fern coat, or even cut it down there, fern coat, and tie it all in, you know, long sweep 90 Y, you know, and then have some more PVC come down. I think this is a cap, yep. So clean out here, clean out down there in case you need to rot out the sewer. And yeah, so another thing I did, I don't know if you can see it or not. I need to turn on my flash, but crap, I can't do it mid video, but there's a water heater there that's pretty new. You can't really see it, but yeah, so just ideas, and this is all brand new PVC piping, the fern coal, stuff like that. So just little, it's in, you know, little tidbits of work here and there with plumbing. You know, it really adds up. It seriously does. I mean, let me just see, for this job right here that I did, I explained in the last video, you know, I charged $100 an hour. In an hour and a half, I made $200. So I got it done pretty quick. And that doesn't include the materials, which I upcharge because of the fact that going out to the store and buying the stuff takes gas, and the gas is getting so expensive. So I just, you know, add a couple bucks to the valves and everything and the pipe. And yeah, I'll go over a different video on how I quote these specific jobs, but I just want to give you guys an idea that an hour and a half, you know, $200, that ain't bad. That's about what I make in my welding business, but this work is just flooding in, literally. No pun intended, but it's crazy how much work you can get doing the plumbing on the side. And so I hold my day job. I do my mobile welding business, and I do some pipe fitting plumbing also. So that just helps stabilize me, for me and my family, and be able to make it through these tough times that we're in right now, because stuff's only going to get more expensive. Thanks for watching.